am I in?
Desert.
Oh, desert.
Jeez, woman.
Currently going to see a water dam.
Okay. We're currently in this rest area. It's so hot, my skin is burning.
We're going to Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam. So, this is how far we've travelled out. Probably took like 5 minutes, but it's the heat, not the flight of stairs that makes us tired. Okay, this is the dam. We're still walking, but we can see it now. Okay, we have arrived. We're still... oh, this is the dam.
Hoover Dam.
Okay.
There's the hydro power station.
Didn't we fight in Vegas?
Yeah, we did.
Gonna wait for Andrew because he has an umbrella. Gonna save my skin from burning. Oh my god, I'm so hot. How do you feel?
Hot?
You look okay. You don't look hot. You don't look hot. I'm sorry. Okay, that wasn't funny.
That wasn't.
Bye bye.